Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today, as part of Natasha Denona week, I am going to be trying out her foundation. It is the Foundation X and it says it's full coverage. So with this beautiful hormonal acne and these scars, we're really going to be putting it to the test. So my face is already primed with my Mercier primer. I have my damp beauty blender ready to go. That's what she looks like inside. So I like putting it on my hand and then just dabbing. So when I first put this on, I noticed it was maybe a little bit too light for me, but it's oxidizing and it's actually becoming a better shade for me. I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation in my problem areas. See if we can get a little bit more coverage and see if it is buildable. Some foundations are not buildable. Okay, it's blending out nicely. And I would say that's pretty good coverage. That's definitely medium to full. These acne spots right here are very red and it did a good job of covering them. I could use a little bit more coverage, so maybe not completely full coverage. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder. Okay, putting on concealer is good. It doesn't move or budge the product, which is really good. And next I'm gonna go in my Mercier translucent setting powder and a puff and just set my under eye and my eyelid. Okay, so far so good. It feels a little tacky, so maybe I will just set my whole face. Some setting powder just very lightly because I have really dry skin. Okay, so far the coverage I really like. A little bit went a long way. I actually pumped out too much on my hand and I didn't need that much, which is great. More bang for your buck. I'm just gonna put on some mascara and give this a wear test and do a check-in later to see how it's wearing. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back to do my check-in about Natasha Denona's Foundation X foundation. It's a really lightweight and satin finish that I really like. Even though I've had it on for several hours, it still feels a little tacky even though I've set it with setting powder, but that's something that I can get past. I would like to have more coverage, especially in the areas where I have acne scarring, acne, and some sun damage. However, this is a really hydrating formula. Usually by this time of the day, I have a lot of dry patches on my skin. I'm not seeing that right now, which is really awesome. So I'm going to continue to use it. Hopefully you guys found this review helpful. And if you liked it, please give it the thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.